he likes to give presents, but not at Christmas.
Camera, shop, film, shoot, shop, album. That's film photography. To justify the money and the time, you gotta give some of them away. The best ones, your favorites, and they gotta be framed, and the frames gotta be right. Plain wood, 4x6 for your 4x6 prints, 1.5 inches deep so they can freely sit atop a Steinway concert grand. No gross stand thing on the back. This particular kind of frame is hard to find. Doesn't seem like it, but it is. So here's the formula. Jerry's Artorama, 4x6 by 1.5 inches deep, natural, that's the color. About $13 a piece, but if you buy a case, they're about $8 a piece. I'm not getting paid. This is a public service announcement. Four by 6 prints, no white borders. They show a little bit, it's no big deal, but better without the borders. At the end of the day, your prints cost you about $1 a piece. Uni Posca paint pen, 0.7 millimeters, white, about $5 a piece. Who's in the photo? Date, location. You might have to loot your albums and sacrifice. It hurts, but you'll see the photo again when you visit the giftee's home. Give it away. Give it away. Give it away now. Give it away to keep it. On this week's Patreon-only video,
it's really hard to capture the romance of the road by shooting out the windows of a moving car, but I keep trying. Here's some things I saw on my trip from Topanga to Austin, and I guess this is for those of you who love the road like me.